It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too, the way that you do what you do.
Instagram basically blew up last week when they announced that they were doing these shine leggings in the python print. They came out in 3 colors, black, gray, and white. And so I ordered the gray and the white. So for those of you all who are not familiar with the brand and how their presentation is, every item comes in one of their packages, these reusable bags with 2 snaps on them and the name of the item on the label here. So I'm going to show you, and just for reference, I am a size small in most of their items. I'm 5 feet tall, well 5 feet 3 inches tall, and fluctuate between 135 and 140 pounds. So just to give you an idea, I typically wear a size small. At the time of this recording, waist is 28 inches, so the size small is really good for that. Extra small would be even better because it has 1 inch tighter, but the legs. So if you have bigger legs, you want to definitely size up. But anywho, this shininess, I love anything shiny. So this is the gray python, and I'll show you the white. And I love the sheen on these. Now, you really don't see the detail very well on the white in comparison to the gray as far as the python print, but they're very shiny. So if you like shiny, you'll like these. But guess what? I hated these pants. This is probably the worst release of 2022 from the house of Bombshell Sportswear. I know. The best thing about this is the fact that the fabric is shiny. When you put these on, ladies, do not have high expectations. These fit so horribly. I could not wait to get them off, and I did not bother to take any pictures because I refused to be seen in something that looked that bad. Now, the funny thing about it is, if you watch this channel, most of my videos complain about the waistband height. This waistband was perfect. This was the best waistband they ever put out on any pair of pants they ever had. But then the rest of the pants is what sucks. I'm like, come on, Bombshell, we just can't get right, can we? So the waistband is beautiful. It is a tall waistband, but the way that it's like a funnel, it just cinches everything in the right spots, and it's also evenly shaped and cut where you can flip it and it stays down. So if you like to flip your waistband down, these pants are designed for that if you need to reduce the height without the pant looking or fitting weird. So I love the waistband on these. What I did not love was the fit of the rest of the pant, particularly the butt and the legs. And that's just on the gray pair. I'm gonna tell you about the white pair next. So let's just talk about the gray pair, shall we? So the inside of the pant, the fabric has a lining. Trying to think what it's kind of like. It's suede-y, like, if you will. It's not quite microfiber, but it puts you in the mind. It's like a cottony microfiber, if you can see the texture here. And it's on the gray, and it's also on the white. Now, these pants, I did not like them because the compression fit. So this will take away every bit of curve that you have worked so hard to build. So I don't recommend these pants for anybody who is smaller and is trying to gain or is trying to accentuate feminine curves. These pants are designed for people who want to look smaller, who want to compress and hide things. So if you are someone who does not like your curvaceousness, these pants may be great for you because the waistband is nice and cinched, and something about these pants make every bit of femininity just disappear. That is the best way that I can describe these pants. Also, about the white pair, they're see-through. So do not expect to be doing any squats or wear any underwear with these because they will show. Panty lines show on both of these pants, and you would think that because they have a thick lining that it wouldn't know. And I had on just a standard pair of underwear, simple bikini cut. Every line was visible, and the pair of underwear that I wore when I tried on the white pair was orange, and there was this glow of orange just emanating from my pants. Like, it was inescapable. So these pants are very transparent. Take my word for it. These pants are see-through. If you get the white, be prepared to have all of your business hanging out, okay? And the world will see it. I do not recommend these for actually working out, at least not the white pair, because if they're see-through just while standing up and just walking around, just imagine if you are doing squats or other movements that have you in compromising positions. If you think there's creeps at the gym now, wear these to the gym and see who else comes out that's creepy. So just know, these pants are not practical, at least not the white pair. The gray pair, they look nice on the outside. They will show panty lines, but at least they're not see-through. But the compression fit is so tight. It is so disproportionate, in my opinion, that I cannot wait to send both of these right back to where they came. So I wanted to love these so much. That's why I bought 2 pair. I even used some of my points on these, and you know you can't get points back when you return items. So oh well. But I just figured I would let you all know, if you have not bought these yet, and you are someone who actually likes to have a feminine curve about you and wants something that will be functional for workouts and wearing out for normal wear, these are not the pants for you. If you have purchased these and they work for you, please let me know in the comments, because I would love to know who these work for. And the part that annoys me is that on their site and on Instagram, they have the models wearing these things and they have them all positioned in ways to accentuate. But if you notice, the models are never standing straight. You will never ever see a Bombshell model modeling a bottom item standing just straight, like, you know, standing how you would normally stand in normal life. No, they always have them contorted and showing off certain things to give the semblance that this is going to look good and that it's going to accentuate curves, and it does not. Nothing could be farther from the truth. And I hate to say that because I do love the brand, but honestly, I'm starting to get frustrated. This year, I found some good items. I have found some okay items, but now it's just getting out of hand. If you're spending close to $100 on a pair of leggings, they should compliment you. They should look good on you, and they should be versatile. That is my opinion of an item like that. But I digress. But let me know in the comments what you think. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's Margarita the Perfumista, just like it is here on YouTube. And I'd love to know if there's any items from the Bombshell collection you'd like me to review. I'm happy to make a video for it. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.